I'm Alex from Mindfluent. This is a free short class about the future simple. So as in with every grammar tense, we have three types of sentences. We have the affirmative sentences, the negative sentences, as well as the interrogative or also known as questions. Um, and in order to elaborate the format for these types of sentences for the future simple, we need the particle will. And we need, after the particle will, the verb. In this case, swim. It doesn't matter if it's a regular or irregular verb, it will always be in its base form. And it doesn't matter if we have also the personal pronoun, for example, the third person, he or she. So it will always remain like this without the S. Remember that this is the future simple. So I will swim tomorrow. One will plus two verb. And if it's he, it will remain the same. He will one plus two swim tomorrow. That's for the affirmative sentences. Now we have the negative sentences, and we only include or add the particle not after the will. So not is number two. In this case, I will one, not two, three, the verb swim. I will not swim tomorrow, the signal word. It can also be that instead of using will not, we have the contraction. In English, contractions are very common. So in this case, we would also have, let me add it here, the want. And that's like for, I don't know where exactly it's in my keyboard. There it is. I kind of did a mess, but it's okay. So will not, it's the same as want. And for the interrogative or questions, we have that the particle will goes first. Will, and then as number one. Then we have the personal pronoun. So like will I, or will my mom, or will your boyfriend? And then two, the verb. Will I swim tomorrow? Remember that in English, we only have the ending question mark. We don't have the opening question mark. Well, I hope that you enjoyed this very short class about the future simple, and I am looking forward for you to connect and watch our next videos that we are already preparing. Have a great day. Bye bye.